Okay, so today I thought I'd review this one. Actually, a patron of mine recommended it to me initially. Now I'm on my second bottle because my first bottle got kind of taken from me. Not really stolen, but they liked it and they kind of kept it. It's not ridiculously expensive, so I'm going to be okay with it. But okay, so Lamellar Water, it's a ultra lightweight water-based hair treatment. It's super lightweight, and because it's so lightweight, they say it has the ability to really penetrate the hair into the cuticle and heal damaged spots in individual strands. So works super nice, light, works in layers, deposits small active amino acids into strands of hair which have depleted or are close to breakage, things like that, and repairs it, fills in those spots, leaving your hair feeling conditioned and softer and shinier. So they say 8 seconds to silkier, shiny, healthier looking hair. A new generation of premium treatment. Stands out from conventional rinse outs upon contact with wet hair. Works in 8 seconds to transform hair from the very first use. So, okay, my first criteria is packaging. I love the packaging. I love when liquid hair products have like a needle nose type dispenser on it. It just makes it so much easier so you don't waste the whole thing within one use. So I really like it. Then it's easier just to get all over your hair. You can just apply it really easily from that dispenser. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it's always different for hair because hair is dead. So alcohol isn't typically as big of an issue for things like that. So it does contain a few drying alcohols as well as some fatty alcohols. It contains denatured alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. So there you go. In terms of fragrance, this one does have a stronger scent than I would like. It's not my favorite. It's a floral scent. It's very noticeable when you apply it. When you rinse it out, it still has a little bit of the scent, not as much as when you're using it, but it does have a little bit of scent that carries on, and it's got fragrance, benzyl, Salicylate, Hexyl, Cinnamate, Coumarin, Linalool, Hydroxycitronellal, and then Limonene and Citronellol. So, a few fragrant ingredients. The manufacturing location for this one is the U.S. No, Canada, sorry. I just saw that. Made in Canada. Okay. Made in Canada, so no issues with that. So, ease of use. So, you can use this as often as you want or as little as you want. They recommend using it 2 to 3 times a week. Use it in the shower. So after you shampoo, you apply this, leave it in for a few seconds, and then rinse it out. They say you can use a conditioner afterwards if you want. Personally, I just like using this in place of my conditioner. Although you certainly can use a conditioner after it. There's no issues with that. So they've got it kind of marked on the bottle, doses. They recommend 1 dose for fine to medium hair, 2 to 3 for thick or curly hair, and 1 more for long hair. So I'm probably not using as much as they recommend, but I feel like a little bit of it is enough to kind of coat everything and rinse off. And then it's really easy. It's really quick. The nice thing is, like a lot of conditioners recommend you leave them in for like 5 minutes. And then you're just standing in the shower for 5 minutes. This, you just apply and then rinse it off. It's so quick and easy. So that's what I really like about it, because sometimes I'm lazy and I don't like to be in the shower that long, or the dogs need something and I gotta rinse out quick and go. So very easy to use. Okay, beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got a lot of words that I probably will not pronounce correctly. We've got Hydroxypropyltrimonium, hydrolyzed wheat protein, which is a hair conditioning ingredient protein made from wheat that is small enough to penetrate and be absorbed by hair to give it bounce, body, and condition. Then we've got arginine, PCA, a moisturizing and humectant combo of 2 amino acids, arginine and L-pyrroline and carbolic acid. And then vitamin E, it's a hydrating ingredient, antioxidant. And then we've got several other emollient slip ingredients such as propylene glycol, Dicaprylyl, and Carbonate. I just saw in Ulta they came out with another version of this, and the ingredient list for the new version looks very similar, like the same actives are in them. So I'll have to check that out. So maybe the scent is a little bit less strong in that one. I don't know. Okay, in terms of animal testing, L'Oreal is not cruelty-free at this point. Performance, so I'm very happy with this. It left my hair feeling very shiny, bouncy, and soft. It also seemed to do a really nice job leaving it tangle free, which is a huge thing for me. Because I just hate when you get out of the shower and there's snarls in there and it's dry. So really did a good job. So quick and easy to use, which is nice. When I apply it, I usually do it maybe once or twice a week just in place of my conditioner. And very easy to use, and my hair always feels really nice afterwards. So really enjoying that fact. Price, so this is the full size, which is 6.8 ounces, 200 milliliters. Retails for around $10. Although a little bit does not go a long way with this one. Especially if you use the dose amount they recommend. And if you have longer hair, it won't last as much. But if you use it about 2 times a week, a bottle should last you about a month or so. So not super expensive. So no issues with that. Personally, I really like to use it, especially after I get my hair cut or colored. I just like using it right after that because it seems to help my hair bounce back from it. Then in terms of it factor, really liked it. I would love it if it didn't contain so much fragrance. The scent is a little overwhelming. In the future, I'd definitely use lamellar water. I think I'd go for something, if I can find something that has a little bit less fragrance in it. That would be my dream matchup. But overall, this one's still a really nice, super affordable product. Easy to add in your routine. And if you're in a hurry, it's really quickens up your shower time, especially if you have long hair or curly hair. It's just so easy to use, rinse out, and go. So that's what I love about it. It's really easy. So anyway, with the 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 6. I love it. I repurchase it. Again, if I could find one with a little less fragrance, that would be my goal. So anyway, I'm interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this one out yet or not, and if you have, what your thoughts are. So definitely leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.